As an expert esthetician with over 35 years of experience, I get asked the same questions on repeat. Questions like, how do I know what skin type I have? Which ingredients should I be choosing? Do I need a retinol? Do I need a vitamin C, ceramides, niacinamide? Also, questions such as, what do I do in the morning versus the evening? These are all very straightforward questions that I get asked all of the time. So I've done something super special. I'm super excited about it, and I think you're going to love it. I have created an ebook. It's available from my website right now. Go to beautybrit.com. It is a downloadable ebook that is jam-packed with all the answers to your frequently asked questions. This book is something super special indeed. It contains step-by-step guides to not only, first of all, identify what type of skin you have in the first place, but also what skincare ingredients you should be looking for. Through this book, I take you on a journey of discovery to understand the basics of skincare and how to identify exactly what your skin needs. Once you've identified your skin type and the needs of your particular skin, you can then make informed decisions on your skincare ingredients and the products that you buy. I have broken it down for you in this book. I explain cleansing, moisturizing, serums, acids, extraction, you name it, it's in there. I have broken every single step down and I've explained why you're going to need to do it and what it does. I've also included a chapter on how to understand and read product labels. Those product labels can be so confusing. They're often written in a language that we're not meant to understand. It isn't in the company's best interest for you to understand that the majority of their product is probably water. So I've created a guide so that you can understand product labels easily. So when you go into a store, you know exactly what you're reading. I will include my product recommendations based on my years of expertise and the products that are out there currently. Things like collagen boosting, moisturizing, hydrating products, and anything that's going to help lessen the signs of aging, such as lines and wrinkles. I'm going to share those with you. But this book isn't just for women over 50. It's actually addressing all skin concerns such as acne, breakouts, hormonal breakouts, rosacea, dryness, oily skin. I have literally tried to do my best to give you everything. It's all about how we can make little changes that make a big difference to our skin. I even give you a few natural remedies, home things that you can do, botanical recipes, clay masks, that type of thing, for those of us that perhaps are a little frightened of chemicals and want to find something more natural. I've got you covered in my book. Now, I wouldn't be an esthetician if I didn't mention in-clinic treatments. In here, I give you a guide of very popular in-clinic treatments, and at the end of the day, it gives you an opportunity to read about them, understand them, and see if it's something that you'd like to book too. I also share with you at-home skincare tools, jade rollers, gouaches, that type of thing. I've got you covered in this book. Lots of information of how to use them and what you should be looking for in order to get the best type of skincare device. And finally, I give you a skincare tracker, a journal, to help you make sure that you're staying on track with your skincare so you can have a look day by day, knowing that you're choosing the right ingredients and seeing the incremental changes to your skin for the better. I'm super proud of what we've achieved in this skincare Bible. I think you're going to love it. It is available from my website, beautybrit.com. It's over 100 pages. The link is in the description box below and in the first pinned comment. Do let me know if you buy it. Let me know what you think. I've chosen this video for you next. Until the next time, bye for now.